Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're looking to build a website in 2025, you might be wondering, which platform should I use? Well, in this video, I'll walk you through 20 of the best website builders and hosting providers. We'll cover their features, strengths, and who they're best for. And stick around until the end, because I'll also share my personal opinion on which one I think is the best overall. So grab a coffee and let's dive in. Hostinger. First up, we have Hostinger Website Builder. It's affordable, super beginner-friendly, and comes with drag-and-drop editing, free domain, free SSL, and lightning-fast Lightspeed servers. It's a fantastic choice if you're starting small, but want room to grow. Bluehost plus WordPress. Next is Bluehost with WordPress. It offers one-click WordPress installs, free domain for the first year, 24/7 phone and chat support, and it's officially recommended by WordPress.org. A solid choice for bloggers and professionals. SiteGround. Number 3, SiteGround. Known for its amazing uptime, advanced security, and daily backups. Their support team is one of the best in the industry. Perfect if reliability is your top priority. DreamHost. At number 4, DreamHost. It offers unlimited traffic, free SSL, a free domain, and even month-to-month billing. It's another host recommended by WordPress, and it's very budget-friendly. GoDaddy Website Builder. Next is GoDaddy Website Builder. It's an all-in-one package with domains, hosting, and templates ready to go. It also includes SEO and marketing tools, making it great for small businesses that want simplicity. Shopify. Now let's move to e-commerce. At number 6, Shopify, the king of online stores. With thousands of apps, built-in payments, dropshipping tools, and scalability, it's perfect for businesses of any size. BigCommerce. Next, BigCommerce. It's similar to Shopify, but it comes with more built-in advanced features, strong SEO tools, and multi-channel selling on Amazon, eBay, and Facebook. A top choice for larger stores. Wix e-commerce. At number 8, Wix e-commerce. It combines Wix's easy drag-and-drop builder with 500 plus templates, integrated payments, and inventory management. Perfect for smaller shops and beginners. Squarespace Commerce. Next is Squarespace Commerce. If you care about design, this is it. Sleek templates, digital and physical product sales, built-in marketing tools. Squarespace is ideal for creatives who want style and function. WooCommerce. And number 10, WooCommerce. It's a free plugin for WordPress that turns your site into a full online store. With thousands of add-ons, it's the most flexible and customizable e-commerce solution out there. Moving on, let's talk general website builders. Wix is one of the most popular, with 800 plus templates, SEO tools, and an app marketplace. Its drag-and-drop editor is great for beginners. Squarespace. Number 12, Squarespace again, but this time for non-commerce. It's famous for its modern templates, all-in-one hosting, and built-in blogging portfolio tools. Great for artists, photographers, and professionals. Weebly. Next is Weebly. It's simple, beginner-friendly, and backed by Square, so it comes with built-in e-commerce. Perfect for small websites and startups. Webflow. At 14, Webflow. This one's for designers and developers, with advanced animations, pixel-perfect control, and clean code export. If you want full creative freedom, Webflow is unbeatable. Jimdo. Next, Jimdo, an AI-powered builder that can create a site for you in minutes. It's affordable, fast, and perfect if you want something super simple. Zyro. At 16, Zyro by Hostinger. It has AI tools like a logo maker, content generator, and heat maps. Combined with Hostinger's fast hosting, it's excellent for startups and freelancers. Framer. Number 17, Framer. Originally a design tool, now a website builder. Great for landing pages, SaaS products, and startups. It's collaborative, modern, and sleek. Durable AI Website Builder. This platform allows you to launch a professional, fully functional website in just 3 simple steps, making it perfect for quick business setups, startups, and freelancers. At 19, Ionos by One and One. It's affordable, secure, and includes multilingual website tools. Very popular in Europe and perfect for small to medium businesses. And finally, number 20, Teleport HQ AI Website Builder. It enables you to create and export code for your website, offering flexibility for developers. It focuses on one-page websites designed to be mobile-first, making it great for portfolios, resumes, or landing pages. Plus, it has tools to quickly customize layouts and start building right away. All right, that was a lot of options. But if you're wondering which one I personally recommend, here's my take. For the best all-rounder, I'd go with Hostinger. It's affordable, fast, easy to use, and gives you everything in one package: hosting, builder, domain, and SSL. And the best part? If you click the link in the description, you'll get an exclusive 20% discount on your Hostinger plan. Don't miss out. It's a great way to start your website today.